This delicious spongy vanilla cake took me approximately 2 minutes to mix, and it is the easiest, fastest cake. It's so easy, you'll be making it every day, and most of these ingredients are in your house. Let me show you exactly what we need. It is so easy. You're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of milk, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 teaspoons baking powder. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to crack our eggs into our bowl. Yes, sometimes some shells do get in there. It is live. We're keeping it real. So just remove the shell and continue into the eggs. I'm going to add in the sugar, and I'm going to beat this until they are nice and fluffy. If you have a hand mixer, this will go much faster, but you can also use a whisk. This is a very forgiving recipe. As you have seen, as I'm mixing the sugar and the eggs, I've also added a pinch of salt. Salt is important because it helps the cake actually taste sweeter, but just a pinch of it will do. Once this is nice and light and airy, we are going to add in the rest of our wet ingredients. That's the oil, the vanilla, and the milk, and mix this up nicely. And then after this is when we're going to come in with our dry ingredients. We are going to sift the flour together with the baking powder right into the bowl. All these movements that we are making, the whisking, using the mixer, and also using the whisk and sifting, are just adding air into our cake, and this is what is going to make it nice and spongy and fluffy. And this cake can be used, you can layer it, you can use it to make like a 3-layered cake, because this is the basis of most of the cakes that we see. It's really nice. It absorbs, even if you want to put syrup on it, it absorbs very well and makes a very nice base to make any tiered cake that you would like. In the end, you should have a batter that looks like this, that's still a bit runny, that can make a nice figure 8 on top. This is how you know that you have a good consistency of batter. And all that remains is to pour it into our greased and lined baking tray. Put it into our preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 170 degrees centigrade. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick that's inserted comes out nice and clean. And voila, this is our cake. Let it cool in the baking pan for 10 minutes before removing it. It comes out nice and soft, very easy to make, very quick. Let me know if you'll be trying this in your kitchen. This is something I could make every day. My kids love this, my entire family love this, and it is very tasty with a nice cup of coffee with milk. This is so tasty. Check out this video here where I'm showing you various other delicious snacks to make for your family, and I'll see you over there. Bye.